Good morning children, welcome to maths class. I hope everybody is doing well. Yes, in the last class we have completed in our first chapter in the page number 75 we have completed till 9th problem. Okay, now we are starting with the 10th problem. Okay, 10th bit, what is it? It is subtract the following and write the difference. Okay, so here same like in the previous problem. What was the previous problem? The ninth bit, it was add the following and write the sum. There add and sum, I said both are same. They both are same. You have to do addition plus you have to do the total and you have to write the answer. So here also saying like that, here subtract the following and write the difference. Difference and the subtract, both the words are same. So how it is saying? Here in the subtraction we will take out the things from the total, we will take out the things and whatever left out we will write the answer. So here the subtract and the difference is the same meaning. Okay. So here what they are saying us to do? Subtraction. So here the things what we have to subtract is, here in the first problem they have given two set of numbers with two digits, and in the other problem like in the first set they have given 3 digits, 2 digits and again 3 digits. According to the problem the subtraction is different. Okay. So here for doing these problems you require your classwork, pencil and eraser. Okay. So same like our previous problems, we are going to write these problems also again in your classbook only. Why? Because we don't have sufficient place to solve the problem. Okay. So here we have 2 digits only. So as I said before, when you are writing you have to take the places. Okay, according to the number of the digits. So here the number of the digits are only 2. So we will take only 2 places only. So when you are copying the problems also, you have to take finger gap between each and every number. Here the places also I have written. So see my space between these two letters. So you also have to give finger space between the numbers or the letters. You have to copy. Okay. So here the first set of number is 47. Okay, 4, 7, 47. So second set of number, as I said before, when you are copying the second set of number, you have to go from last. So the last number is here 3. So 3 we will take in the ones place, in the last place only. We will not change the place. Just we will take the digits and we will write under the same number. Okay. So last number will go in the last place only. Ones place number, ones place only. Now here you see 2. 2 is there in which place? Tens place. Always second place will be tens place. Okay. So here 2 we will take in the tens place only. Okay. And I said you before, the important thing when you are doing the problem is writing the symbol. So for subtraction, what is the symbol? Okay. So they have given already here between these two sets. What is the symbol? This is subtraction symbol. It is called minus. Okay. So we will write the symbol here. Symbol is compulsory. As soon as you see the problem, you will understand whether which type of problem, which method you have done to that particular problem. Okay. So we will do minus here. So here we have 7 and 3. So in addition, what we will do? One number we will take in mind. Second number we will take in fingers. The next number we will count and we will write. Here also same like that only, but little changes will be there as it is a subtraction problem. So few changes will be there here. So here first number will be 7, second number is 3. No? So down whatever the number is there. So down we have 3. We will start our counting. We will start our counting from the down next number. Okay. So I am giving you here new method of solving the problem. It will be useful for your higher classes also. As you have come from your second class to third class, now you have to learn new method which is useful for your high classes also. Okay. Now in the previous classes you have opened fingers, closed fingers, drawn lines and cancelled. So these method you have learned. Now the third class, in the higher classes this method will be useful. Listen. So down, whatever number is there, from the next number we will start the counting, and up in the top place, whatever the number is there, there we will stop the counting. Okay, see here, our next number is 4. So 4 we will start the counting. 4, 5, 6, 7. See why we have stopped it till 7 only? Why? Because here we are having only number 7. Okay, we will start our counting here. 4, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, how many fingers we have open here? How many fingers are there? 4. So if we subtract 7 minus 3, you will get your answer as 4. This is the new method. It will be very useful and easy also to solve your subtractions. Listen. So here also see saying down next number is what? Down number is 2. After this 2, what you will get? 3, that we know already. So 3 we will start the counting. Then we will stop our counting in the 4th place. Okay. So 3, 4. So we have to stop, no, it is 4. So 4. How many fingers are there here? 2. So see like this. 4 minus 2 will be 24. Here I have given you example here. So that if I have written here to make you understand, but you should not write in your classwork. You should always remember that in subtractions, down to next number we will start the counting. That point you should keep in your mind. And up number, the top number, we will stop the counting. Okay, I hope everybody understood this method. This is very clear. Now let us move to our second problem. See, what is our second problem? 104 minus 72. Okay, 104 minus 72. Now we will arrange these numbers in the subtraction form. See here how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 digits are there. So we will take 3 places. What are those 3 places? Ones, tens, hundreds. See here 3 places I have written, and I have left finger space also. Yes. Now we will take first set of number 1, 0, 4. Okay. So 104 is the first set of number. Then 72. See, I said no. If you write the places and if you write the second set of number from the last, it will become for you to write the problem easy. See here 1, 2, 3 numbers are there in the first set. To make you confused, they have given only two digits here. So how you will write? If you take from the first, it will become wrong. Definitely it will become wrong. See, 72 you will take in the first place. So it will be easy for you to solve the problem, to copy the question from the last place. Last number is 2, under 4 in the last place, 7 under below in the last place. See that we don't have any third digit here in the 100 place. So we are not writing anything there. We will leave that place like that only. Now minus symbol is compulsory. Okay. So here again what we have done here, the down next number we have started our counting, and up number, top number we have stopped our counting. No? So same like that here also we will. Down what we have? 2. So down next number is what? 2 after 3. So we will start our counting in the third place and we will stop our counting in the fourth place. Okay. So 2 after 3 and 4. So fourth place we have to stop now. 2 and 4. 3 and 4. So this, how many fingers are there now? 2 fingers. So we will write our 2 number in the ones place. So 4 minus 2 is 2. Okay. So now here you see 0 minus 7. 0 means, in the previous class I said 0 means what? 0 means nothing. 0 means nothing. So from 0 you have to minus 7. If nothing is there, how we can minus? So here the advantage what you have here is you have to take, you can take borrow from the before numbers. See how you have in classes also you will borrow things, sometimes not regularly. Sometimes if you don't have any eraser or anything, you will take help from the others. Yes, in your home also you will help your mother in many ways. So here also if you don't have number here, you will take help from the before number. Help in the sense borrow in subtraction. So here what is the number? Here you have 1. Okay. So here whatever the number may be, whatever it may be 2 or 3 or 5 or 7 or whatever it may be, if you have any number, you have to take only 1 from that number. Okay. So here you have 1. So from 1 you are taking 1 for help. So what you have now? You have any fingers there, any numbers there? No, 1 is only there. 1 you have taken borrow. So how many are there? Nothing. So first you have to write that 1. So from 1 you are taking 1. So you will have 0 here. Okay. The 1 what you have taken you have to write first, and the number what you are having down you have to write next of that number. Okay. See, 1 you have taken borrow from the before number. The whatever number you are writing here. So here 1, 0, 10. Okay. So from the 10 you have to minus 7. The method what I said, down next number we will start and the top number we will stop. So where we should start here? Down we have 7. 7 after we have 8. So we will start our counting in the 8th place and we will stop in the 10th place. Okay. So here we will start at 8. So 8, 9, 10. Where we should stop? 10 only. See here we have only 10. So 8, 9, 10. So how many fingers are there? How many are left now? 3. So 10 minus 7 will give you 3. Okay. Now you see here in the hundreds place, we don't have any number. Here we have 0, down we don't have anything. So we will write that 0 as it is. Okay. So 104 minus 72 will give you 32 as your answer. Okay. So this method whatever I said you follow in the same way, so it becomes easy for you to answer. Okay. I hope. See, after solving the problem, here we have given blanks. Yes. So whatever our answer is there, we have to fill it here. In the first problem, 47 minus 23 have given 24 as your answer. Here in the second problem, 104 minus 72 have given your answer as 32. Okay, remember these words. Now till in your first class and second class you have used addition and subtraction words. Now you have to come. Now you have come into your third class, no? So you will use your words for addition as sum and for subtraction as difference. Okay, remember those words and do the method here. Okay, so here I hope everybody you have understood these two problems. Okay. Don't think that teacher have done only 2 problems, so we have to do only 2. The third one, what is the third one we have here? C1. C1 we have as 352 minus 456. Okay. And what is the D1? What is the D1? 698 minus 436. So for these 2 problems also you have to do it in the same way. 532 minus 456. Do it in the same way. First write the places. These 2 are homework. Okay. C and D are for homework. Everybody first you write. I think you have written your chapter number already. So you just write your page number 75. Write the heading, subtract the following and write the difference. Okay. Then copy this first one. If you have place beside you can write. If not you can write it down. No problem. Okay. But each and every number between you have to leave finger space. Okay. Here between these 2 places finger space and all the numbers should come in the straight line. Then only you can understand the problem clearly. See here you have, if you copy the question correctly, then your answer should not go here. It should be also under the same place. Okay, same number. This also in the same way. Okay. Now you see here 532 minus 456. I am giving you this third and fourth. These two problems as homework. You solve these two problems in the same way. Okay. First write the base values. Then arrange these numbers in the format and then solve according to your classwork problems. Okay. Thank you.